How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Omega Math Services, the last place where you look for math help. Today, we'll be looking at a second part of how to add variables, and this puts everything that we've learned from the beginning of how to add numbers to how to add variables, and it puts it all in one video. So let's begin. All right, the only time when you can add variables is like I was saying, you're given already what those variables are, right? So in this case, we're told x is equal to 1 and y is equal to -2. So let's apply everything we've learned. What you got to do now is anywhere you see x, you just replace it with a 1. All right. So my x minus y equals to 1 minus, what is y? Well, y is -2. And as you guys remember, when we have different signs, we keep, flip, change. So we keep the 1, we flip negative into a positive, and we change the -2 into a +2. And so our answer is 3. All right, once again, let's do this one, which says x minus y. Well, anywhere I see x, I replace it with 1. Keep the minus, put the minus, and this might be tricky for some of you, but what is y? Y is -2. So I have to replace all of that with -2. Now, remember, what happens when you have two negatives in front of each other? You use the keep, flip, change method. So I'm just going to keep let's figure out what's inside the parentheses. A negative times a negative always turns into a positive. So we get 1 minus 2. And remember, to add numbers with different signs, we look at the highest number and what its sign is, so we know it's negative. And then we subtract the smaller from the bigger one, so 2 minus 1. And that just gives us, yes, -1 as an answer. All right, and one more variation I want to look at. Yes, these are the same variables and they have different powers, but remember, anywhere you see x, you plug in 1. So this time my x squared is going to be 1 squared minus 1. Well, 1 squared is just 1 minus 1, and so our answer is 0. I hope you guys are finding these videos useful. Once again, these videos are really just targeted to people who are just starting to learn their SAT and study SAT math. I hope you guys are finding these concepts useful. I'm trying to be as brief as possible so that you guys understand this and don't have to waste so much time studying. With that being said, please share with your friends, comment what it is that you want me to work on next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time.